In this video, I'll show you how to test AI prompts in Google AI Studio in 2026. Testing your prompts is an important step when working with Gemini because even a small change in your instructions can affect the quality, accuracy, and style of the response. First, open Google AI Studio on your PC or laptop and sign in with your Google account. Once you're inside the workspace, create a new prompt or open an existing prompt that you want to test. Start by entering your first version of the prompt. Make your instructions clear and include the task, context, expected format, and any important requirements. Run the prompt and carefully review Gemini's response. Don't just check whether the answer looks good. Check whether it actually followed all of your instructions. For example, if you asked for 5 points, make sure the response contains 5 points. If you requested a specific tone or format, check whether Gemini followed those requirements. Now create an improved version of your prompt. You can make the instructions more specific, add context, change the format, or provide an example. Run the updated prompt and compare the new result with the previous response. This comparison can help you understand which instructions are producing better results. You can also test the same prompt with different types of input. For example, if you're building a chatbot, try simple questions, complicated questions, unusual requests, and questions that are outside the chatbot's intended purpose. Pay attention to incorrect information, unexpected responses, formatting problems, and instructions that the model fails to follow. If you find a problem, adjust your prompt and test it again. Prompt improvement is usually an iterative process, so don't expect the perfect result on the first attempt. When testing more advanced applications, keep a record of the prompt versions that work best. This makes it easier to return to a reliable configuration later. Also, test your prompts with realistic examples instead of only ideal inputs. This can help you discover problems before other people use your application.